All right, so earlier on, we're able to create a navigation, right? So we can navigate from the about and the home, right? But it doesn't look good, right? So let's kind of add a logo, right? And put navigation here, and perhaps just have a button that says get started, right? So let's do that. Now, in order for me to do this well, right, so in order for us to have that, right, so we need to create a folder, right, and have the image there. So let me create a folder now. So I'm going to call this folder maybe um let's call it image. No, let's call it assets, right? Because we can eventually have other files inside of it, like icons, we can have fonts and so on and so forth, right? So inside this asset, I want to put a logo there. So let me have this logo inside of it. All right, so we have this logo here. So that's good. Okay. So let's begin now. So I'm going to come back to my base, because the base is what holds the header, to be precise, right? So inside here, so let's start. So let's do class to be equals to, so let me do let's have a h of um let me try 60px first. Okay, so we'll say flex, and okay, so what I'm writing here would be nice to have it here, right? So let's do border bottom, and let me save that, and let's see that changes. All right, so that's good. So now I'm going to say items to be center. So if you save that, this should be here. So that's good. So we kind of want something like this, and I think I should just do justify. um so justify should be between, then px to be 10, no, let's do 5, right? So we get this, so that's good, right? All right, just before here we need the image, right? So this image is going to take alternative, and would call that to be logo. Then of course would have src, and here now we're going to pass in, I think we can do url for url4. So we'll pass the location name, and the location name is asset, right? Then we can as well pass the file name, right? So let's do file name to be equals to, that would be logo.webp. All right, so majorly that's what we want. So if we save this, we are going to see boom, right? All right, so let's look at this, and okay, so another way we can do this, so for some reason it's not locating my path, and that shouldn't be the case. So what I could just do is to come out from that template, go to my asset slash logo webp, so save that, and that should do justice. So we can see this part, but we can't see the image. All right, since we can't see this, so I think this naming convention is a problem. So let me change this to static, right? Because definitely it's a static folder, and let's change this to static and see. So save that. Let's refresh here. Yeah, so it loads, right? So that's fine. That's fine. So it should be static, right? Again, since this now works fine, so let me see the HTML and the URL for, right? Let's see that method. So URL underscore for, and I can pass so so um so that would be static comma file name to be equals to, and that's logo.webp. Yeah, so I see that. So save that. Refresh. Yeah, I shouldn't, but we should still get the same thing. So that shows that it's working fine now, but this doesn't look good, right? So let's quickly fix that up. So I'm going to give it a width of, let's say 100. Let's say 100. Save that. Let's refresh here. That seems good, right? Yeah, that seems good. Okay, so I think I used between, right? So I think I should use around, right? So let's use around. So around would be better. Yeah. So I would have a button here. So let me come down here and just add button, and this would be get started. So save that, and let's do this. Yeah, so that's not bad. Now let's focus on here. So the distance between this guy doesn't look too great. So in here I can just do class name, and let's do flex and give it a gap of, let's say 4. Save that. Let's see. Okay, that's okay. So let me do a text of maybe XM and let it be uppercase. So save that. I think it's still too big, so let's do XX. So that's good, and I think I would prefer a font to be semi-bold. Yeah, so that's okay. Of course, this button, so let's just apply a little CSS. So again, I'll use a font of bold, let's say border, then let's do a border gray of 500. Let's say PX to be maybe 4, then PY to be 2, rounded to be MD, and let's work on the text, right? So let's have it as XM. So save that, refresh, and we have this. I can't see my rounded. I didn't pass rounded. Amazing, I thought I did. So MD, and let me reduce this gray to like maybe 200. So save that. Yeah, 300 will be fine, or should be fine, right? All right, so this is it, right? So that's the header. Of course, if we would want to add some stuff to make it look extremely cool, we can, but for now we're just going to stay with this. So let me look at this, save here, and just remove that. So for the about, right, so we'll do, this is the this will be the about content, right? So refresh. The point is so that if I click here, we can see this is for the about, and we can see this is for the home, right? So that's it, right? So, and we can add some more cool stuff. All right, so the next thing we would want to do is basically you can see how we can navigate from one screen to another screen, right? Which is super cool. So in our next video, we're going to be doing something, I think something more complicated, or more reasonably good, right? All right, so see you guys in the next video. Yeah.